Condemning the Manipur High Court order imposing a ban on quarrying of stones and sand, protesters in large number enforced a shutdown on the National Highway 102 section at Sekmai area since this morning. As per a report, the shutdown is supported by Advanced Women's Society, Protection Committee and Sekmai Development Committee. For the first time, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, Imphal is set to introduce a super speciality DM course starting from this year's academic session. In this regard, Director of the Institute Dr. A. Santa told media that RIMS will also focus on conducting kidney transplant surgery in days to come. Mohorat for Manipuri film Thainigi Lairang Nungshibi was held today at East Garden, Kongba. The film is produced under the banner of Nonglai Film Productions and its cast include Gokul, Sunny, Nikki among others. A day after Assembly Speaker K.R. Ramesh Kumar disqualified 3 rebel MLAs, Karnataka BJP B.S. Yedurappa met the governor to stake claim to form the government. He is expected to take oath as the Chief Minister this evening according to reports. The second orbit-raising maneuver for Chandrayaan-2 was launched from the Sriharikota range on Monday. Over the next 10 days, Chandrayaan-2 will raise its orbit 3 more times, eventually reaching an orbit that would be 233 km at the nearest point and 1,43,953 km at the farthest. 2 spacecraft moved into a higher orbit around the Earth by performing its second orbit-raising maneuver in the early hours today.